Hello everyone, so today I'm going to teach you guys how to leverage Facebook ads for lead generation. So this document, it's mainly for local businesses. Local businesses are easy to target on Facebook groups, rather regional when you're targeting across country when you're selling online products. So this is pretty simple what a lot of businesses should be doing. But a lot of people, they tend to complicate it. And yes, there is a lot of maintenance when you're running ads, but this is the foundational steps to how to get your first customer on ads. And before we get into this, the first thing you guys should know is that if you're not spending at least $40 to $50 per day, then you should not be running ads because there are multiple ways to get customers, such as cold outreach, DMs, calling people, or asking your friends or family, warm outreach. So there are multiple ways. So first thing is who I am. So my name is Ali, and if you haven't heard about me, I'm the founder of Hair Launch, and we are a marketing company. We help specifically local businesses such as plastic surgeons, med spas, hair salons, or any niche in the beauty related. And yes, if some business want to reach out to us and they're in probably roofing or anything, and we could help them out. But our first primary thing is to help the beauty industry. And me personally, I helped multiple businesses run their ads. A good example is right here that I ran for a med spa. They actually had a good conversion cost per result. So $5.39 for one lead, and they got 17 leads. In total, we tested multiple ads, as you could see, and the best one was that third one, as you can see here, and we generated 21 leads. Reaching 2,000 something, and yeah, it was a good campaign that we ran, and we helped other businesses as well. And we do all this across with multiple local businesses. So yeah, if you guys are a local business and you guys want to scale your ads, want to create organic content, we could help you guys out. Just check out hairlaunchinc.com. You could check out my Instagram, YouTube, LinkedIn, Twitter, now it's X. So I post across all platforms. My username is the same, Ali Media _5. So yeah. So what is the first step? The first step is setting up a Facebook ad campaign. Now, what you want to do is you want to first have a business account, right? So once you have a business account, in order to make your first campaign, you need to have an ad account as well. Because I see multiple businesses that I've helped out, and the first thing I see is they're running ads on their personal account. Now, this is horrible. The reason being is if your ad account gets banned, you need to start your whole business account, which is, it's not ideal to do that. So if you have an ad account that gets banned, you create another ad account, which takes 2 seconds, rather a whole business account, and then you need to warm it up again and all of that. So it's better if you do it under ad account. Once you have that, you want to start your first campaign. So the first campaign to get leads, the fastest way is a lead generation campaign, rather engagement or awareness. So do lead generation. Then after that, what's your call to action? Learn more, sign up. My best one is learn more. Everyone uses it because it's not too pushy. So just use that one, learn more. And your goal is just to either get their contact info or send them to your landing page where you get their contact info. So yes, sending them to your landing page, it's cheaper, but it's more qualified. So you rather send them to a landing page that it's good, your branding is there, and you're getting customers. And when you reach out to them, most likely 90%, if your offer is good, they will buy. The next step, which people always tend to forget, is, and that's the reason why their ads don't work, is because their targeting is off. So there are 4 types of targeting. You have location targeting, which would be targeting 3 to 5 miles, maybe 10 miles, depends on what's your service and depends on if there are other services. For example, if you run ads in Manhattan, you're not gonna put 10 miles. Who's gonna drive 10 miles all the way to you when they have a million other businesses that are gonna come in their way? So yes, because you might have a good brand, but for that location, it's a city, 3 miles is good enough, 4 miles, perfect. So yeah, then is demographic targeting. So their gender, their age, what is their relationship status, education, who are you targeting? So that's the main one as well. You could also use ChatGPT to do that. So try that. Then will be interest targeting. So what are the people that are interested in your stuff that are also interested in other stuff? So for example, if you want to get plastic surgeons more customers, you might be looking at beauty industries, hair, and anything makeup related, fashion. So you would be targeting those people for them to come to your plastic surgery, because at the end of the day, they want better features, a good appearance for themselves. Then behavior targeting, targeting users on their online activities such as their purchasing behavior, app usage, and device type. So when you're doing behavior targeting, especially on lead generation, Facebook does a good job on targeting people that are intent buyers, people that often buy online, that are always willing to just throw their money out. So yeah, so these are the main strategies that you guys should be focusing on when it comes down to targeting. And the way how I look at targeting, it's like playing darts. You know, you could be good at darts, but then if your targeting is off, you're not going to score. The third one is crafting a compelling ad copy and visuals. So the way how we measure that is click-through rate, because if someone is not clicking on the ad, I mean, it just sucks. The video is not good. It's not appealing. The offer is not good. And why they should click. Yeah, so visuals are key. So looking at your competitors through Facebook ad library, there are other platforms that you can see what ads have been launched the longest in your niche. So this is the best way, because if their ads are still running for a month, 2 month, that means it's converting, or else they would have probably shut it within 2 weeks. And so then look at those ads and then see their lifestyle images, their pictures, product pictures. Look on their social media, because another big thing that a lot of people tend to miss out is when we work with someone, right? The first thing we look at is their organic content, because when someone sees an ad, guess what they do? They do their first step, which is research. They look at their website, their social media, and if their social media is not good, they're not going to convert. Because if you want their company, their brand to work with your brand, your company, and your company is not good, like as far as branding, you know, they're not going to care about that stuff, because you don't care about your stuff. So focus on organic, then focus on paid. And the fourth one is utilizing the Facebook pixel for ROI tracking. So return on investment tracking. So a pixel is pretty much is a tracking feature where it targets people that are landing to your website. If you don't have a website, you don't need to worry about it, but you should get a website, so that way you could retarget them instead of using Facebook features. You always, it's kind of having your own platform in a way. And there's other softwares where I actually found out like a couple of weeks ago where you could also, it's kind of like a tracking, but that tracking it's better because you could actually get their emails and you could reach out to them, either just send them an email blast. But this pixel, what it does, it just gets their information, and you could retarget those people that landed, but without seeing the emails, which is still not bad. So, and it's free, you know, just put down your website. It's not gonna cost anything. You just need to learn how to do it, watch a YouTube video, or just have someone do it for you as well. So this is a must, is a must for metrics, especially when you have a website. The next one is, what are the metrics that we look at to get the highest ad performance? So these metrics, it analyzes impressions, clicks, conversions, and cost per lead. So if you use A/B testing to experiment with different ad copy, visuals, and targeting options, these are the metrics that are good to look at. And this will allow you to scale your ads faster when you look at the cost per 1,000 impressions, which is a CPM, the cost per click, the cost per acquisition, meaning at what price I pay to get a sale. So the first one is impression, the number of times your ad was shown to users. Clicks is the second one. the number of time users clicked on your ad. And number 3 is conversion, the number of users who completed a desired action, such as submitting a form or making a purchase. So it's either or, it's conversions, not just sales. And then it's cost per lead, the average cost of acquiring a lead through your ads. So this was a little glimpse of lead generation on Facebook, and this will help you guys start your first ad campaign on something simpler. And if you guys want someone or want us to look at your ads, scale it faster, since we know how to do it. We helped multiple businesses in different niches, especially in the beauty industry. So yeah, this was a hope you guys found this video valuable. If you guys want to connect with me, just subscribe to this channel. Follow me on Instagram, Ali Media _5X, as well as the same username.